Well, said you need to transition him, or it'll really give him poopy problems.
Well, that's what was in the bowl. I had mixed it up.
Ah. Apparently they like it. Weirdos. My window's a little dirty. I wish my window was cleaner. They're being really funny. They seem to like this. Maniacs. Run. They're crazy. They're insane. Oh, bird. Yeah, that's ice hitting the snow. It's warm where I'm standing, on my back. My front is freezing. Where are those dogs over there? They're being so crazy, it's adorable. So I can get out here and get them without them seeing me. Okay, they're over by the pond. Oh, they're going in the pond, yeah. We can rip up that liner a little bit more so Jim can just completely redo the pond next year. We can get over there. Oh, hi guys. What do you think about this? Are you enjoying this weather? Are you off? Why do you guys jump? It's freezing out here. Ow, Olivia. Gosh, she's just yanking on Clark's skin. Why are you so crazy? Hi guys, what are you doing? That is Olivia barking. That's Scarlett. Hi Scarlett. And there's Clark. Hi guys. Trying to hold my camera. Oh. You guys are insane. Why are you being so crazy? Do you like this weather? Are you insane? Maybe. Oh my gosh, you guys are insane. Oh! Your children are scaring the cat. Look at her. She's like, oh, I don't know about. She's trying to back up and get away from the window where the noises are coming. What is it, Clark? What's going on out there? Are there children outside? We don't know about children. He likes kids. Clark loves children. He loves it when they chase him, and when he gets to chase them, but sometimes he gets a little rough, likes to knock them down. What's going on outside? Hi, Scarlett. Ice raining. They're out there. Hi, guys. Clark was all weirded out because he heard children. Clark. Did you hear that? What's going on? What is it? Go get him. What is it, Clark? What is it, Clark? I can't see you guys. Aren't you cold? No. It's freezing out. I mean, it's below freezing. And it's snowing again.
Don't you love his face now?
I do love it. It's the best ever. I'm going in now. Goodbye. It's cold.
Sheila. Oh my.
What's the matter, Clark? Jim's shoes scaring you? What is going on? Is there a pair in particular that offends him? Oh, it's under the bed. It's shoes, Clark, just shoes. Straight tight on the offensive shoes. Is it the flip flop that's like tilted?
Or just a weird brown cat.
I want to talk about this. You're being ridiculous. Come on. Come here. What is it that, Clark, come here. Come here. What is it that you're afraid of? What is it? Is it this shoe? Is it this one? It's not scary. It's just a shoe. Is it this shoe? It's just a shoe. You're so silly. Yeah, take your shoes.